Okay, now what I'm going to teach you is how to set up your Google Analytics to send you an emailed report about your traffic. So once you're logged into your analytics, the first thing you're going to do is click on reports here. Okay, so here we have our default report that Google put together. This kind of gives you an overview of your traffic. And I'm going to click over here, share this report. Next, I'm going to click on schedule email. And then we're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it Google Analytics, and then I'm going to put my website. And I don't need a description. I'm going to add my email in there. And we want this to come on the 2nd of every month, monthly for 12 months in a PDF format. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now that email is scheduled, and I'm going to receive that on the 2nd of every month for the next year. So I'll be able to track my user activity across my website.